Best Review Tech.
Brand name, Potensic. Model, Potensic Atom 2 PTD 1RC. Flight time, 20 to 30. Charging voltage, 5 volt/3A. Power source, electric. Charging time, about 1.5 hour. Remote distance, max 10 kilometers. Remote control, yes. Is electric, lithium battery. Anti-wind ability, 5 level. Drone weight, less than 249 grams. Takeoff weight, less than 249 grams. Control channels, 4 channels. Motor, brushless motor. Warranty, 12 months. Warning, 14+ year. Aerial photography, yes. Transit time, days, max 10 kilometers. Video capture resolution, 4K UHD. Operator skill level, beginner, intermediate, expert. Indoor-outdoor use, indoor-outdoor. Camera mount type, 3-axis gimbal. Controller mode, mode 1, mode 2. Barcode, yes. Controller battery, 3.7 volt recharged battery. Is batteries included? Yes. Type, helicopter. Material, plastic. State of assembly, ready to go. Features, app-controlled, auto-return, Wi-Fi. Set specification, single battery, total weight 332 grams. 3 batteries, total weight 374 grams. Recommend age, 14+ year. Package includes original box, camera, batteries, remote controller, USB cable, operating instructions.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.